Okay. Michelle.
So speaking of Russia, this week we heard the Treasury Undersecretary tell the BBC that Putin is corrupt. Does the administration share that view?
Well, that is the assessment of the Treasury Department. I think is the one that best reflects the administration view. Obviously, the Treasury Department is responsible for enforcing sanctions, and obviously there are significant sanctions that are in place against Russia because of their destabilizing activities inside of Ukraine.
It's a pretty blunt public statement, though, and that's why it's being asked now, because it's something we really haven't heard in so many words before. So if that is the case, pretty black and white statement, why have we not yet seen sanctions against Putin?
Well, again, I would encourage you to check with the Treasury Department about the sanctions that they have designed. I think there are probably a variety of reasons for that. The first is we obviously work closely with our European partners to make sure that we're taking coordinated steps to isolate the Russians and their economy. So that's certainly part of the equation here. But the other thing that we don't do is we don't make a habit of announcing sanctions in advance or spend a whole lot of time discussing in detail what sort of sanctions may or may not be considered by the U.S. government and our partners. To do so would only give those who could potentially be the target of these sanctions the opportunity to take actions to evade those sanctions. And we certainly don't want to give anyone the opportunity to do that.
Okay, got it. And last night,